You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ-58 transmitting from a weather tower in Fort Wayne and broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. The station serves the northern portion of Indiana. You can visit our website at www.weather.gov. If you have anything to say about our broadcast, visit the National Weather Service website at www.weather.gov. To report severe weather, contact your local authorities. They will send your report to the National Weather Service. The current time is 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These are the 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time conditions across northern Indiana. In Fort Wayne, sunny. The temperature was 87 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 89%. The wind was northwest at 5 miles an hour, gusting to 10. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. At approximately 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown entity was spotted in the city of Fort Wayne, attacking and killing anyone that comes within its path, destroying buildings, damaging property in the streets, and damaging cars. It is unknown of what this creature's origin is, or where it came from at this time. At this time, the Fort Wayne Police Department, along with several SWAT teams, have arrived at the scene to attempt to exterminate the creature. All residents of the city of Fort Wayne are advised to remain in your homes with all windows and doors locked. Make sure you have all the essentials you may need, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a fully charged cell phone, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Do not, under any circumstances, approach this creature. If you happen to come across this creature, immediately run in the opposite direction and dial 911. Please continue to monitor local stations or media outlets, as more updates will follow as information becomes available.